If you feel like YouTube is too crowded and it's impossible for small channels to grow, you're not alone. But what if I told you that idea is wrong? A massive shift in how YouTube's algorithm works in 2025 is creating a huge opportunity for channels just like yours to finally get noticed. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method we've been testing to take advantage of this change. A combination of new content styles and growth tactics that the big creators hope you don't discover. For years, the game has felt rigged, right? It's frustrating to see your hard work get buried, but the system just changed in your favor. YouTube is now actively looking for fresh voices, turning your channel's size into your most powerful advantage. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to use it. So what's the big secret? It's that the YouTube algorithm has fundamentally changed its priorities. For years, it was all about cold hard video-specific stats like click-through rates and watch time. Creators had to obsess over these isolated numbers. But now, it's all about the viewer. Using smarter, more predictive AI, the algorithm is obsessed with one singular mission: finding the perfect video for every single person, regardless of how big or small the channel is that made it. It's a shift from rewarding individual videos to rewarding channels that satisfy specific viewer appetites. Think about it from YouTube's perspective. Their goal is to keep you watching, session after session. To do that, they can't just keep feeding you videos from the same 10 superstar creators. People get content fatigue. They get bored and crave new things, new perspectives, and new personality. To solve this critical problem, YouTube is now dedicating prime real estate on the homepage and in your recommendations to channels with fewer subscribers. They are intentionally programming the system to take a chance on smaller creators because they know that hidden within those channels is the next wave of content that will keep viewers hooked. This change completely debunks the myth that YouTube is too saturated. That idea is a relic of the past. The platform is literally betting its future success on finding and promoting new creators. This means your job isn't to beat the algorithm anymore. It's to collaborate with it. It's to give it the clearest possible signals about who your audience is, so it can do the heavy lifting and put your content in front of the right people for free. Knowing the game has changed is great, but how do you actually win? This new method boils down to 3 key ideas. Get these right, and the algorithm will have no choice but to notice you. First, lean into the new content formats. The algorithm is rewarding authenticity. That's why journey videos and building in public series are blowing up. These are raw, unfiltered videos where you document a process, like starting a business or learning a skill. People connect with the story and the struggle, and that means they watch for longer. At the same time, more people are watching YouTube on their living room TVs. This means long-form, binge-worthy content is gold. If you can create a high-quality video over 20 minutes long, you're signaling to YouTube that you're making premium lean-back content. That translates directly into longer watch sessions, which is one of YouTube's favorite metrics. Second, you need a smarter growth strategy. For starters, turn on auto-dubbing. YouTube's own tools can translate your videos into other languages, which can seriously expand your reach to global audiences with almost zero extra work. It's a simple way to tap into huge new markets. Next, get obsessed with your analytics, especially views per hour, in the first 24 hours. This tells you in real time if a video is starting to catch fire. A sudden spike means the algorithm found people who like your stuff, and you should immediately make another video on that topic. Third, treat your channel like a book. A viewer should want to watch 2, 3, or even 4 of your videos in one go because they all flow together. This is called content clustering. Instead of a random video on productivity and another on a camera review, create a mini-series. For example, the best camera for beginners should naturally lead into 5 mistakes beginners make with their first camera. Use your end screens to link them together, and you'll create binge-watching sessions that the algorithm can't resist. Now you have the strategy, but putting it into action is what really counts. To help you get started, I've linked some fantastic free tools in the description below that can help you implement this method. The doors have been thrown wide open. The idea that YouTube is too saturated is officially dead. The platform is actively searching for its next wave of stars, and it has built a system to find them. This isn't about getting lucky anymore. It's about understanding the new rules and making content that the viewer-first algorithm is designed to find. This is your shot. The best time to start isn't next month. It's right now.